Hey everyone, my name is Jade Baerg. I am your countryside co-op calf and heifer specialist, and I'm here today to talk to you about doing your dishes. Now, in my role as calf specialist, I'm on dairies just like yours every single day, troubleshooting calf health challenges and finding practical solutions to bring your calves to their full potential. What we're going to talk about today is going through the 5-step cleaning process, just like what your milk house does in the CIP clean, to clean your calf feeding equipment and your calf facilities. So what we're going to do first is swab the surface of this pail with the bacteria meter, and what that's going to tell us is how much total bacteria is on the surface of the pail. So as you can see, an otherwise clean pail read over 2 million RLUs of bacteria, which means it's very dirty. Our goal is to get under 50 on that bacteria read. So step 1 is to rinse with warm water. We need to use warm water around 90 degrees so that we don't bind the bacteria to the surface, but we also get all of the organic matter like milk and manure off the pail. So step 2 after the rinse is to scrub in an alkaline detergent with hot water around 140 degrees. It's going to require rubber gloves or large rubber gloves for cleaning in this step. Now that I've scrubbed the pail, I'm going to move on to step 3, which is the acid rinse. This can be done in cold water or hot water. What you're going for is contact time. If the bucket stays in the acid rinse, we're going to allow it to dry, and that's going to help prevent bacteria from binding, as well as rinse off any extra organic matter that has already bound to the surface. And step 4 is to allow it to dry. So now that we've done step 4, which is the dry, we're going to swab the pail again and see what the bacteria looks like now. So as you can see, with a good rinse, a scrub and alkaline detergent, a rinse and acid, and a good dry, we can dramatically decrease the load of bacteria on the surface of these pails. The last step in the 5-step process is to disinfect. What that means is using a chlorine dioxide in a water bath to coat the surface of the pail or bottle or nipple, whatever equipment you're using. And that's going to remove any extra bacteria that may still be on the surface or may still be sitting in a biofilm on the surface. That means that right before feeding, we're starting with the cleanest equipment possible to prevent disease and prevent the calves from getting any bacteria we don't want them to get. So that's what you're looking at if you want to implement a 5-step cleaning process in your system. There's a lot of great, easy ways we can do it, and I can help you make it practical for your farm.